Taskbar Sierra 6. Left Juliet Mike. Mouse click. Focus Solution Explorer. Left 3 Bravo. Mouse left 10. Mouse click. Move down 3. Press return. Taskbar Romeo 6. Window monitor switch. Show list Blazer. Blazer Pizza latest. Press return. Click 48. Left Hotel Charlie. Mouse down. Right Yankee Lima. Mouse click. Read that.
The application is working well. Users can place orders and track their order status. But there's one little problem. Currently we don't distinguish between users at all. The My Orders page lists all orders placed by all users, and anybody can view the state of anybody else's order. Your customers, and privacy regulations, may have an issue with this. The solution is authentication. We need a way for users to log in, so we know who's who. Then we can implement authorization, which is to enforce rules about who's allowed to do what. 49 Enforcement is on the server. The first and most important principle is that all real security rules must be enforced on the backend server. The client, UI, merely shows or hides options as a courtesy to well-behaved users, but a malicious user can always change the behavior of the client-side code. As such, we are going to start by enforcing some access rules in the backend server, even before the client code knows about them. Inside the Blazer Pizza server project, you'll find Orders Controller CS. This is the controller class that handles incoming HTTP requests for orders and orders, order ID. To require that all requests to these endpoints come from authenticated users, that is, people who have logged in, add the authorize attribute to the Orders Controller class, root orders.
Wake up. Right Bravo Romeo. Arrow down 30. Mouse click. Okay. Taskbar Whiskey. Click Hotel India. Taskbar Tango. Window monitor switch. Click Lima Echo. Jump to file. Variable orders controller. Press return. Go to line 12. Delete 3. Press Ctrl Sierra. Open Smart Tag. Press return. Start application. Should now be completely broken with no access. Because there's no login page, obviously. Window monitor switch. Ah, okay. Click 13. Click 15. Maybe it's the uploading of the information that will fail. This is all server side. Click 16. Enter 6 random numbers. Click 22. Press function 12. Window monitor switch. A wall of red. Okay. Close window. Press Yankee. Mouse click. Close tab. Scroll bar Romeo. Click 51. Left Hotel Charlie. Mouse up 20. Mouse down. Right Yankee Golf. Left Yankee Golf. Mouse click. Read that.
The client code needs a way to track whether the user is logged in, and if so which user is logged in, so it can influence how the UI behaves. Blazor has a built-in DI service for doing this, the Authentication State Provider. Server-side Blazor comes with a built-in authentication state provider that hooks into server-side authentication features to determine who's logged in, but your application runs on the client, so you'll need to implement your own authentication state provider that gets the login state somehow. To start, create a new class named Server Authentication State Provider in the root of your Blazing Pizza client project, using system security claims.
Window monitor switch. Taskbar Victor. Solution Explorer. Move up. Move to top. Move down 2. Move up. Add new item. Press Alt November. Variable Server Authentication State Provider. Find previous state. Saved it anywhere. add a new item. Press Alt November. Variable server authentication. Variable state provider. Undo. Variable server authentication. Variable cap state. Dictation cap provider. Click Add. Go to line 4, fresh line, dictation using, press space, dot notation system security claims, type semicolon, find previous the, delete to, fresh line, dictation using, press space, dictation cap Microsoft, press dot, Alpha November Charlie, press dot, dot notation components authorization, backspace 5, backspace, complete word, type semicolon, move down 3, move down 2, move up, press end key, press space, press colon, press space, variable authentication state, backspace 4, backspace 2, dictation cap state, dictation cap provider, complete word, move down, press return, dictation public override async task, complete word, press home, delete to, press N key, chevrons in, variable authentication state, move right, press space, variable get authentication, variable state async, brackets out, new block curly brackets, press tab, type // type // dictation cap currently, comma, this returns fake data. New line, type // type // dictation cap in a moment, comma, will get real data from the server. New line, var with space, dictation claim, press equal, new with space, dictation cap claim, brackets in, open smart tag, press escape, variable claim types, press dot, dictation cap name, backspace 3, dictation cap name, type comma, quotes in, dictation cap fake user, word semicolon, new line, var with space, no caps identity, press equal, new with space, variable claims identity, brackets in, lower November Echo Whiskey, square brackets out, press space, curly brackets in, dictation claim, move right, type comma, quotes in, dictation server, lower Alpha Uniform Tango Hotel, word semicolon, new line, dictation, return new, cap authentication. Find previous A, find previous A, find previous A. Delete 2, press end key. Dictation cap state, brackets in, new with space, variable claims principal, brackets in, dictation identity, word semicolon. Move left 20, open smart tag, press escape, left Lima India, move mouse down, stop, appear to be missing a using statement, but I've got all the ones that they include, I think, yeah. On system threading is already there. That's strange. I've got it spelt right. Claims principal. Yeah. New claims principal. Wake up. Left Mike Kilo. Mouse up 100. Mouse down 30. Mouse up 10. Mouse left 10. Move mouse lower right. Move mouse down. Click. Different spelling for principal, obviously. Move down 3. Move down. Press return. Press Control Sierra. Jump to File. Dictation cap start. Press return. Go to line 26. Scroll down 20. This is in the wrong. Close object. Click cancel. Undo. Press Shift Home. Press Delete. Close object. Click. Jump to File. Dictation start. Move down. Press return. Go to line 10. Fresh line. Press return. Type // Type / dictation add author services. Find previous author. Cap authorization. Fresh line. Dictation services. Press dot. Alpha Charlie. Brackets out. Type semicolon. New line. Dictation services. Press dot. Alpha Sierra. move down, chevrons in, Alpha Sierra Papa, complete word, move right, type comma, variable server authentication, backspace 5, backspace 5, backspace 5, dictation cap authentication, variable state provider, close chevron, undo, backspace 5, backspace 5, backspace, type greater than, find previous comma, move left, backspace, move right, press space, press N key, brackets out, type semicolon, press Control Sierra. Taskbar Charlie Charlie, window monitor, touch Echo Foxtrot, window monitor switch, scroll bar right Papa, scroll bar Papa, to follow the authentication state information through your app, you need to add one more component in app.razor. Surround the entire router with cascading authentication state. Okay, so that's a completely new component inside. At first this will appear to do nothing, but in fact this has made available a cascading parameter to all descendant components. A cascading parameter is a parameter that isn't passed down just one level in the hierarchy, but through any number of levels. Finally, you're ready to do something in the UI. Window monitor switch. Window monitor switch. Click Mike Foxtrot. Jump to File. Mixed Alpha Papa Papa. Press Return. Select all. Press Ctrl Alpha. Wrap with div. Dictation cap cascading. Variable authorization. Complete word. Press Ctrl Sierra. Right, now create a new component called Login Display in the client project's shared folder containing the following markup. Okay. Solution Explorer. Click 3 Lima. Move up 2. Add new item. Cap component. Press Alt November. Variable login display. Click Add. Select line. Hypertext tag div. Press space. HTML attributes class. Dictation user-info. move right 2, press return, chevrons in, dictation cap author, move down, complete word. Fresh line, type less than, complete word, fresh line above, format selection, press end key. Chevrons in, dictation authorizing, move down 5, move up, complete word. Fresh line, type less than, complete word. Format selection, fresh line above, chevrons in, dictation text, move right, press dot, press dot, press dot, undo, redo, chevrons in, type / dictation text, move down, fresh line, type less than, dictation cap author, complete word, type greater than, new line, type less than, complete word, undo, type less than, complete word, format selection, fresh line above, hypertext tag image, delete 2, delete, undo, move right, delete 3, move left, press space, lower Sierra Romeo Charlie, press equal, quotes in, move right, left, undo, quotes in, move right, left 6 items, press Ctrl Charlie, HTML attribute, edit list, click add new, press hotel, press tab, dictation cap attributes, press tab, dictation cap image cap source, press tab, paste that, curly brackets in, dictation cap left, press tab, press tab, press Sierra, click save data, press Alt X-ray, press delete, HTML backspace 4, HTML attributes, image source, lower India Mike Golf, type /, press Sierra, press return, fresh line, hypertext tag div, fresh line, move up, move right 5, press return, hypertext tag span, press space, HTML attribute, class, dictation username, move right, press shift apostrophe, dictation context, press dot notation user identity name, complete word, fresh line, hypertext tag anchor, press space, HTML attribute, class, dictation sign hyphen out, move right 2, move left, press space, lower Hotel Romeo Echo Foxtrot, press equal, quotes out, left 7 items, press Ctrl Charlie, HTML attributes, edit list, click add new, press hotel, press tab, dictation cap attributes, press tab, dictation cap anchor cap ref, press tab, paste that, curly brackets in, dictation cap left, press tab, press tab, press Sierra, click save data, press Alt X-ray, press delete, HTML attributes, anchor ref, dictation user, type /, lower Sierra India Golf November, lower Oscar Uniform Tango, move right 2, dictation cap sign out, move down 2, clear line, press delete, fresh line, chevrons in, November Alpha, backspace 2, mixed November Oscar Tango, complete word, fresh line, type less than, complete word, format selection, fresh line above, hypertext tag anchor, press space, HTML attribute class, dictation sign hyphen in, complete word, move right, press space, HTML attributes, anchor ref, dictation user, type /, dictation sign, lower India November, move right 2, move left 20, backspace, press N key, move left 3, move left, type greater than, dictation cap sign in, press Ctrl Sierra, scroll bar right to Lima, window monitor switch. So the authorization view is a built-in component that displays different contents depending on whether the user meets specific authorization conditions. Obviously, so it's authorized, not authorized, we didn't specify any authorization conditions, so by default it considers the user authorized if they are authenticated, otherwise not authorized. You can use authorize view anywhere you need UI contents to vary by authorization state, such as controlling the visibility of menu entries based on a user's roles. Excellent. In this case, we're using it to tell the user who they are and conditionally show either login or logout. Link as applicable. Let's put the login display in the UI somewhere. Open main layout and update the top bar class as follows. Because you're supplying fake login information, the user will appear to be signed in as fake user. Click the sign out link will not change that. Okay. No database yet then. Window monitor switch. Click Kilo Delta. Jump to File, Variable Main Layout, backspace 3, backspace, backspace. Press Return. Go to line 19. Press End key, chevrons in, variable login display. Press space, type /. Press Ctrl Sierra, start application. Got some warning messages there. Window monitor switch. Are we there yet? I think I've broken it again. I'll time out eventually. Or not. Press function 12. Oh dear. Okay, I've obviously missed something out. Window monitor switch. What have I done? Taskbar uniform. Taskbar Sierra. Close tab. Page up. Page up. Window monitor switch. This is menu Lima 1. Move to top. Context menu. Press escape. Open smart tag. Move down 5. Move down. Move right. Move right. press return, move down. Left November Golf. Move mouse down, stop. Sure where I'm supposed to put the await. I haven't got any. Undo. Press shift home, press delete. This is weird. Definitely none there. Maybe just because it's fake, they haven't done that bit right for now. Did I register that? I did. Wake up. Menu India 1. Click close. Menu India 1. Build project. Page up. Page up. There's those warnings, but still. Click Kilo Foxtrot. So, services, add scoped order state. Undo. Backspace. Wake up. Backspace. Left 5 select. Open curly bracket. Press Control Sierra. So, services, add scope, order state. We've got services, add authorization core. We've got services, add scoped, and then 2 objects. Authorization state provider. I've got a server. Find following server. Press delete. Open smart tag. Press return. Build project. Start application. Maybe this time we'll have some success. We never know. Start application. Window monitor switch. Right Charlie Papa. arrow down 20, arrow down 60, move mouse down, click. Wake up, arrow down 30, mouse click. Click Tango Echo. Click 14. Click 2. Right. I haven't got the picture, but everything else is as it's supposed to be. Taskbar Whiskey. Menu Delta 1. Move down. Move right 2. Press delete. Press delete. Press Ctrl Sierra. Build project. Taskbar Tango. Refresh page. Yay. Now we have a fake icon. Close tab. Press page down. Press page down. Press page down. Click 54. Right, so your application is going to use cookie-based authentication. The mechanism is as follows. The client asks the server whether the user is logged in. The server uses ASP.NET Core's built-in cookie-based authentication system to track logins, so it can respond to the client's query with the authenticated username. If the client asks the server to begin the sign-in flow, the server uses ASP.NET Core's built-in federated OAuth support to redirect. No idea what that says. Refresh page. Refresh page. There we go. Twitter's login page. However, you could easily reconfigure this to use Google, Facebook login, or even to use ASP.NET Core's built-in identity system, which is probably what I'd end up using, which is a standalone user database. After the user logs in with Twitter or another authentication provider, the server sets an authorization cookie so that the subsequent queries in step 1 will return the authenticated username. The client app restarts and this time shows whatever username the server returns. Subsequent HTTP requests to the API endpoints on Orders Controller will include the cookie, so the server will be able to authorize the request. If the client wants the user to log out, it calls an endpoint on the server that will clear the authentication cookie. Wake up, wake up. Left Hotel Juliet. Mouse down. Right Sierra Mike. Mouse click. Read that.
You'll notice that, in login display, the sign-in and sign-out links take you to server-side endpoints implemented on user controller in Blazing Pizza Server. Have a look at the code in that controller and see how it uses ASP.NET Core's server-side APIs to handle the redirections. What's missing currently is having your client-side app query the server to ask for the current login state. Go back to Server Authentication State Provider, and modify its logic as follows, using SystemNet HTTP.
Move down 3. Window monitor switch. Menu Lima 1. Fresh line. Dictation using. Press space. Dictation cap system. Press dot. Dictation cap net. Undo. Backspace 8. Backspace. Mixed November Echo Tango. Press dot. Mixed Hotel Tango Tango Papa. Type semicolon. Move down 2. Move down. Move down. Duplicate line. Move up. Find following author. Right select. Backspace 2. Go to line 13. Fresh line. Dictation at private read only. Backspace 5. Press home. Delete 2. Press N key. Press space. Show list client. HTTP client. Press space. Type underscore. Lower Hotel Tango Tango Papa. Dictation cap client. Type semicolon. Press return. Press return. Dictation public. Press space. Variable server authentication. Variable. Undo. Backspace 3. Dictation cap authentication. Variable state provider. Brackets in. Show list client. HTTP client. Press space. Move down 2. Complete word. Move right. New block curly brackets. Type underscore. Press hotel. Complete word. Press equal. Lower Hotel Tango Tango. Complete word. Type semicolon. Go to line 22. Select line. Press delete. Press end key. Var with space. Camel user info. Press equal. Words await. Type underscore. Lower Hotel Tango. Complete word. Press dot. Golf Juliet Alpha. Chevrons in. Variable user info. Move right. Brackets in. Quotes in. dictation user, word semicolon, press return, move down, clear line, move down, press home, 2 items, press delete, move up, press end key, var with space, dictation identity, press equal, camel user info, press dot, variable is authenticated, undo, undo, redo, redo, left select, India Alpha, complete word. Press space, press return, question mark, press space, new with space, variable claims identity, brackets in, dictation new, square brackets out, curly brackets in, new with space, cap claim, brackets in, variable claim types, press dot, dictation cap name, complete word, type comma, camel user info, press dot, dictation cap name, complete word, move right to, type comma, quotes in, dictation server, lower Alpha Uniform Tango Hotel. Fresh line, press colon, press space, new with space, variable claims identity, brackets out, type semicolon, press return. So if it's authenticated, it returns that particular one. Otherwise, it's returning an empty one, I guess. Build project. Left 7 Bravo. Arrow raise 20. Arrow right 20. Mouse click. Start application. Oh, I haven't finished yet. Start application. Window monitor switch. Click 2. Okay. Click 2. Okay, that bit works. Okay, we'll resume another time because it's getting a bit late now. Right Bravo Oscar. Arrow down 100. Move mouse down. Click. Taskbar Whiskey. Right 5 Tango. Mouse